Hi everyone, welcome to Deanna Creates. So in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you the things that I purchased from the latest IOD release. So let's just get started. So you guys, I was so excited. The things I ordered from the latest IOD release came today, and I just couldn't wait to share what I purchased from there with you guys. So the first thing that I ordered was this Apothecary Labels set. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was so excited when I saw this because I love everything apothecary. I love apothecary cabinets. I love bottles. I love the labels on bottles. I just love that, just that look. And when I saw this, I knew it was going on my list. So let me just show you what's inside, just to give you a closer look, just in case you didn't see the actual release video. So it comes in this nice little package, which I really like. And then the sets are in here. Let's see, here we go. They're all in their own little envelopes, and I'm just now seeing them too. I haven't even taken them out myself. So here is the first one. And I love that there's different fonts in here. And then like, here's just like a little, you know, just a little kind of enhancement, you know, a little decor piece, maybe like a separator or something. And then here is the other one. And so this one has a little more bold to it, kind of almost like an outline around it. And so that is the second one. And I love that they have both the lowercase and the uppercase. And then here are some of the labels. Oh, you guys, aren't they so pretty? And like, here's a little hand like pointing, you know, so that if you had a label on here, you know, you could have it pointing that way or something like that. But oh my goodness. So this is the first one of the actual labels. And then here is this one. It's a little more decorative, and there's words on these. Here's another one of those little hands. Also some other little, just, you know, just embellishments that you can add. So I am in love with this. I cannot wait to use it, and I think it is just the perfect stamp. And I'm excited to see these in these smaller sizes. So that is the Apothecary Labels stamp. I'm just going to lay it over here. We won't put all that back together and take up your time. The next one that I got is the Conservatory Labels. And oh my goodness, this is the Conservatory mold. And I love these. I love that they made them a little thinner, because I think as we put them on whatever really projects we're doing, just that thinner mold, not quite as heavy, will be really, really awesome. So I cannot wait to use these. And then the next one is the Lover of Flowers transfer. So you guys, when I saw this, I knew that this had all of the things that I love. It has script in this beautiful fonts, which you guys know how much I love script on everything. It has gorgeous, gorgeous flowers in here, and it's very Victorian. So all the things. So I'm going to take this out and just kind of go through and show you guys each page of it, just so that you can see, because they are so, so pretty. Forgot about the sticky label on here. And so, look, there's the cover, y'all. And so then the very first one in here is this. It's so pretty. This has like the peachy kind of tones to it, and these gorgeous green little hints of kind of some orangey red. So that is gorgeous. This one, it has wild rose down here. And then this is the next one. I love how this is off-centered. I love daisies, and these daisies, oh my goodness, they're so, so sweet. I think these would make, if you just did a gallery with these, I think it would be beautiful. Here's some apple blossoms up here, and these are gorgeous. These, I can't tell what all these flowers are. But so these are more muted. There's some orangey red back here. And look at all of these, y'all. There's so many. This, oh, there's an almond. This is called almond blossom, and this gorgeous set of roses right here. You guys know I love roses. And then this one is a tea rose. There's a poppy and a sunflower. And then, of course, all of this beautiful poetry here. I mean, can you believe all of these? Look how many projects we could do with this. And so there is another rose here, another apple blossom, just more. There's more and more. And then this one, forget-me-nots. What that one is. Just, this one has some blue. I mean, they're just so pretty, y'all. And look how many. I still have more to go. Here's another one. And that's the last one. So look at all of those gorgeous transfers that are in here. I just think that this is beautiful, and I cannot wait to use it. So that is the Lover of Flowers transfer. And then the last thing I got, and I don't know if I'm going to say this right, but I got this pastiche stamp. And oh my goodness, you guys. This seems like the perfect stamp to me. It has everything. It's got bird cages, and it's got butterflies, and it's got books, and it's got bird nests and eggs and everything. So I'm going to take this out so that you can see both pages of it. And then on the back of the stamp, there is all of this inspiration. So all of these ideas of things that you can do with this stamp. So there's so many possibilities, and I was really inspired by these examples on the back of this. And so let's just open this and take a closer look at what is inside. Oh, sorry, the packaging. Oh my goodness, y'all. And then I forgot about that they mentioned that. So they added the mask, which they also stamped, which I think that, thank you so much, IOD sisters, for doing that, because this is going to make it so much easier to try to keep your mask, know what mask you have and what goes with what. So thank you very much for thinking of that idea. So these are just all the masks that go with them. And then here is the first set. Look at that, y'all. So there's this bird cage. Here's another one. This is some roses, this beautiful butterfly, a clock. Here's a little nest. There's some feathers up here, and then a little cloche with some eggs in it. Oh, you guys. And then the second one is another one. And so here's another bird cage. Two more cloches are here. This little bird, like on a swing. This has my heart for sure. There's some botanicals on here. Here's like a fern, some more sweet little birds, and books. I mean, it has it all, you guys. And I just think that this is going to be one of my favorite stamps. I can see so many different uses for this. So I love it. I love it. And these are all perfect for me because, as you guys know, I do a lot of smalls. You know, I don't do a lot of big pieces. So all of these products for me just seem to fit perfectly with the things that I love to create. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I was just so excited. I haven't bought very many craft supplies this year because I was holding out for this release, and I'm so glad that I did. So I would love for you guys to share in the comments of the things that I purchased. What is your favorite? And then let me know if you have any other spring ideas that you are going to be working on. I'd love for you to share. So as always, I appreciate you guys. Love and light to you all, and we'll see you again real soon.